Today we're making a delicious meat pie with canned biscuits, ground chicken, cabbage, onions, peppers, and frankly, it tastes better than it has a right to be. Come on, I'll show you how to make it. These are very simple. We're going to start out with 4 ounces of ground chicken, a dash of Maggi seasoning. You can use Worcestershire sour sauce, you can use soy sauce, up to you. We're going to use everything seasoning, dash in there. We're going to use some celery seed, just a little bit. Going to add some ranch seasoning. We're going to add 1 ounce of green peppers, 2 ounces of purple onions. Mix this up in here real good. We're going to put in some chicken base, some granulated garlic, all to taste. We'll put some oil in the pan and add in our chicken. And we're also going to add in 4 ounces of shredded cabbage. Let this cook down, stir this up. Cabbage is a great, inexpensive way to stretch food out, to tighten your budget, and it's pretty healthy stuff also, and a very versatile vegetable. As this cooks down, you want to add a little bit of water so you can steam the cabbage to make it cook faster. And also deglaze the pan. Just mix quite a bit of stuff. Meat pies are a great way to feed your family in the summer. They're portable. You can take them with you, go for picnics. Now we're going to let this water cook down before we start filling the pie crust. Turn our fire up a little bit. You want the water to come out of there. You want this to be fairly dry. See, you got off the bottom of the pan, all the fond coming together really good. You can use ground chicken, you can use ground beef, ground pork, anything you want to in this. This is just one way to make these meat patties. You can tell all the water's cooking out. Turn our fire off. Alright, here's our mixture. We've been letting it cool off for 20 minutes. You don't want it hot. You don't want a lot of liquid in there. You want it nice and cool before it goes in the wrappers. Alright, here's the biscuits we're going to use. There's 8 buttermilk biscuits in here. I'm trying to get the thing right. There you go. These are very inexpensive. Let's pop this top and get these bad boys going. That part always scares me. As you're doing these, get your rolling pin floured, put flour on your counter. Pour your biscuit off, flatten it down, both sides, and roll out, roll in, roll out, roll in, turn. Roll out, roll in, roll out, roll in, turn. Very easy. Get a good rhythm going. Doesn't have to be perfect, but get a first circle. There's our pile of meat pie wrappers. Our wrappers are ready. Now we need to spray our pan down. any kind of cooking oil. I'm using Pam, but you can use whatever your choice is, and lay these things down. Pro tip, you can also sprinkle a little bit of seasoning. I'm using Nor's chicken base. Good stuff. You don't want to fill them up too much, just enough to get a good filling. There. Now we put the topping on. You will push this down with a fork to seal it. And then what I do, I take a little bit of oil, spray on top, and brush it in. You can use an egg yolk, you can use an egg white. This oil gives it a good crispy crust. A little more seasoning. Let me get these all done, and we'll come back and put them in the oven. Well, there you have it. A ground chicken and cabbage meat pie. Let's try this, see how it is. Handheld, you can pick it up. That is really good. You can take this to go, eat it with your hands, or you can add a gravy on top, a cheese sauce on top. Anything's possible. This thing is good, this thing is filling, this thing is quick, and you're gonna like this. Let me know what kind of filling you would use. You can use ground beef, you can use seafood, you can put a Mornay sauce in there. You can do all kinds of things with it. Let me know if you want to see any of these options, because we can sure do them. In the meantime, if you enjoy seeing entrees like this, if you enjoy learning how to cook for yourself, if you enjoy saving money, this entire thing for all 4 of these costs less than $1 a piece. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time on Real Food, Spend Less. Bye. These are really good. Oh my gosh. I hope you get a chance to try them.